The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about Boost Mobile, guys. So I'm on the website here and I'm on the FAQs page here, and today I'm talking about Boost Deals, guys. So as you guys know, Boost Mobile had a special had a special thing for Boost Deals or whatever. It's where if you guys use the Boost Deals, y'all guys got $5 off your monthly bill and stuff like that and all that. But I had some bad news for y'all that used Boost Deals. Boost Deals has shut down. I didn't know about this until someone sent me a link to this. So shout out to Alex. So shout out to him. He's the one that sent me this link here. I didn't know it shut down until I checked out this FAQs page here. So yeah, let's check this out and see what it has to say about it and all that stuff and whatnot. So it says, when does Boost Deals shut down? Boost Deals shut down July 29th, 2018. That was last Sunday, guys. So Boost Deals is no longer is no longer available. So yeah. Says, why is Boost Deals shutting down? Due to circumstances beyond Boost Mobile's control, the third-party vendor who supplied and supported the Boost Deals app can no longer fulfill their obligations. Boost Mobile will continue to look for other savings opportunities for the Boost Nation. So Boost Mobile is hopefully going to try to find something else so you guys to save money on your phone bill and all that stuff. Says, what happened to my points? No need to worry, you will still be able to earn points and have credits applied to your account until the Boost Deal program has shut down on July 29, 2018. Your final account credit will be applied within 30 days of the 7/29/18 shutdown date. You guys can't get Boost Deals now. Obviously, it's been shut down for a week. Says, are you going to start another program like Boost Deals? Boost Mobile continues to look for other savings opportunities for the Boost Nation. Continue to check the Boost Mobile website and make sure your email is current on your account so that you can receive information about services and offers that can benefit you. When do I receive my final credit from Boost Deals? You will receive your final account credit within 30 days of the 7/29/18 shutdown date. How long are my points good for after Boost Deal ends? All points accumulated as of 7/29/18 will be applied to your Boost Mobile account as a credit. No points can be earned after 7/29/18. Should I delete the Boost Deals app? Yes, after 7/29/18, the Boost Deals app will no longer function or be supported. Go to Settings, Device, Apps, and find the app that you want to remove and just select uninstall. So, right there, guys. If you guys have Boost Deals app on your Boost Mobile phone right now, delete it now, because it's no longer useful to you. Delete it now. As you guys probably know, if you guys bought like a Boost Mobile phone in like the last, I don't know, year and a half, Boost Mobile put the Boost Deals app pre-installed on the phones, but now Boost Mobile's going to go another route with that. I was happy when Boost Mobile announced Boost Deals. They launched this back in 2016. I remember because they also introduced more hotspot and all that good stuff, and they gave you 60 days to pay your phone bill if you didn't pay your bill on time and all that. So this Boost Deals thing's been around for 2.5 years now, and now it is over. It is gone. You guys can't use it anymore. If you guys have the Boost Deals app on your phone, delete it now. And whatever credits you had for Boost Deals as of 7/29, those will be applied to your account. So yeah, man, when I had Boost Mobile, when I first heard about Boost Deals, I was pretty excited about it. The only thing I didn't like about it was the ads on the lock screen. I didn't like that, but that's how you got the money. That's how you got the account credit. Was it was by letting the Boost Dealz app displaying ads on your lock screen. I didn't like that because it made the phone, unlocking the phone slower. But I still use it anyways, and it saved me $5 a month on my bill. It was great. I got like $5 like 1 month, and then I didn't get $5 for like what 3-4 months. So it pissed me off. I don't even know if the Boost Dealz app is still in the Play Store or not. It's not available for iOS, so you can't get on iOS. You couldn't get on iOS. If you guys had a Boost Mobile Android phone, Boost Dealz was available for that. If you had an iPhone, it wasn't available for that. It was only available for Android phones only, which was stupid. But you know, nothing I can do about it now. Hopefully, if Boost Mobile comes up with another program like this, hopefully it's for both Android and iOS customers, guys, because that just feels like cheated. It feels like Boost Mobile cheated their customers in some way or fashion. They gave their Android users something to smile about, and then they gave their iOS users fucking shit. So hopefully Boost Mobile comes up with another program like this or whatever. Hopefully it'll be for Android and iOS customers on Boost Mobile, so everyone can be happy, and so everyone can take advantage and have an opportunity to use whatever, you know, and not just have it for one OS. That's stupid, you know. So I'm gonna check the Play Store right now, see if it's there. Because I don't know if it's there. It's probably not there. It's probably deleted. It's probably not even on the Play Store. And like I said, guys, if you guys got the Boost Dealz app on your phone right now, delete it immediately. So yeah, I'm gonna check the Play Store here, see if it's there. It's probably not even there. Let's check it. Boost Dealz. Check it. It's probably not even there. Cause it should be the first thing that pops up. Okay, you got books here. No, don't see the Boost Dealz app anywhere. You got the My Boost app. I don't see the Boost Dealz app. So I guess it's not on the Play Store anymore, obviously, because they tell you to delete the app on your phone. So do that. And yeah, did you guys use Boost Dealz? Because I used it when I had Boost. I used it. It was great to save money. Bad thing was that you had to view ads on the lock screen. You know, I'll put a link to this in the description of this video, so if you guys want to check it out, go ahead and check it out. So yeah, hopefully Boost Mobile will come out with something like this. Hopefully it'll be for Android and iOS, guys. Not just Android, because Boost Dealz was not available on iOS. It was only available on Android. So this is sad news for those of you who used Boost Dealz. Did you get? I want to know who used the Boost Dealz from the day it launched until the day it ended. Because like I said, I used the Boost Dealz app from the day it launched until the day I left Boost, which was November 2016. I went to Verizon and all that. I got the $5 a few times. Like I didn't get it every month, which was stupid. Even though that I had the app on my phone 30 days. That you had to have the app on your phone for 30 consecutive days for you to receive the account credit. I did that, and sometimes I didn't get no fucking credit. I'm like, what the hell? So, you know, hopefully Boost Mobile will come out with something better. Hopefully it will benefit all of Boost Mobile customers. Hopefully it's for Android and iOS. Hopefully. Come on, Boost. Because usually these reward programs like this, they don't last a long time if it's just like if it's for like Android, they don't last a long time. The Boost Dealz app, it lasted what, 2.5 years, 2.5. That's not bad. Cricket had the added up thing. If you guys remember that, the added up thing from Cricket, that was there for like what, not like 2 months, and it shut down. And so this is shutting down. Hopefully Boost Mobile will come up with something better. Hopefully it's for Android and iOS customers, guys, so everyone in Boost Mobile can have an opportunity to save some money on their phone bill, not just Android users or whatever. So yeah, did you guys use Boost Dealz? Did you guys like it? I think over time the Boost Dealz app has got better, because you can like do offers and other things. You don't have to just have black screen ads. I think it was still there until it shut down. But when Boost Dealz first launched, the only way to get the account credit was by allowing Boost Dealz to display ads on your lock screen on your phone, and it made unlocking the phone. It made unlocking your phone slower. It made it slow. For me, it did anyway. You had to have the app on your phone for 30 consecutive days. You couldn't even cut your phone off. I don't think you could have cut your phone off. I think you had to have your phone on for 30 consecutive days. Just like I let my phone go dead or whatever, and then I didn't get that account credit. I'm like, what the hell? So yeah, man. So yeah, sad news, man. But hopefully, if Boost Mobile comes up with something else for people to save money on their account, hopefully it's for both Android and iOS customers, not just Android, because it feels like Boost Mobile is basically just telling their iOS users to go fuck themselves. You know, it should be an equal opportunity playing field. Not just just do it for Android users. It's stupid. Just do it for both Android and iOS. I don't know how Apple would like that or whatever, but I'm just saying, Boost, if you guys want to make another rewards program like this or whatever, make it both for your Android users and your iOS users, so everyone can have an equal opportunity to save money on their account. You know what I'm saying? That'd be a good business. That'd be a good incentive for people to try it out. Not just have one group of customers try it out and have the other group saying, what the fuck, you know? So, yeah, Boost Dealz has officially shut down last Sunday, July 29, 2018. I suggest you guys read this FAQ section very carefully. If you guys use Boost Dealz, read it very carefully. You know, read it very carefully. And yeah, if you guys got the Boost Dealz app on your phone right now, delete it now, because that's been no use to you now. No use. So yeah, hopefully Boost Mobile will come up with another rewards program. Hopefully better. Hopefully benefit its Android and iOS users, not just one set of users. Make it available for everyone to use on Android and iOS. So Boost Dealz has officially shut down. What did you guys think about this? Let me know your opinions about this in the comment section of this video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.